Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that we all need from time to time: resetting, restarting, and refocusing our lives. Assessing your current situation is the first step toward meaningful change. Take a close look at where you stand in various aspects of your life. This will provide a baseline and help you understand what needs attention. Life can get overwhelming, and it's important to take a step back and reassess where we are and where we want to go. Whether you're feeling stuck in a rut or just need a fresh start, these tips will help you reset, restart, and refocus your life. Take some time to declutter your mind and your physical space. Clear out any negative thoughts, toxic relationships, or clutter that is holding you back. This will create space for new opportunities and growth. Decluttering your physical space can have a positive impact on your mental state. Organize your home and workspace, removing unnecessary items to create a more serene and productive environment. This can enhance your focus and overall happiness. Identifying areas for improvement allows you to focus your efforts effectively. Whether it's your career, relationships, or personal habits, pinpointing specific areas to work on makes the path to improvement clearer and more manageable. Embrace new beginnings and try something different. Whether it's starting a new hobby, learning a new skill, or taking a different approach to your daily routine, stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to amazing discoveries about yourself. Embracing new challenges is essential for personal growth. This will also open up new opportunities for learning and development. Each new experience builds resilience and confidence, allowing you to discover your true potential and capabilities. Set clear goals and priorities for yourself. What do you want to achieve? What steps can you take to get there? By refocusing your energy and attention on what truly matters to you, you can create a roadmap to success and fulfillment. Setting clear and achievable goals is crucial for progress. Break down your objectives into smaller, actionable steps. This approach not only makes your goals more attainable, but also keeps you motivated as you accomplish each milestone. Creating a vision board can be a powerful tool for visualizing your aspirations. Fill it with images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goals. This daily reminder helps keep your dreams at the forefront of your mind. Developing a positive mindset is essential for overcoming challenges. Focus on your strengths and practice self-compassion. Surround yourself with positivity to cultivate an optimistic outlook, which can significantly impact your overall well-being and success. Eliminating negative influences is crucial for personal growth. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Distance from toxic individuals and environments that drain your energy. Focus on nurturing positive connections and fostering a supportive atmosphere. Establishing a daily routine brings structure and consistency to life. It helps manage time efficiently and reduces stress. Incorporate productive habits and allocate time for relaxation. Consistency in routine can lead to increased productivity and well-being. Prioritizing self-care is essential for maintaining mental and physical health. Dedicate time to activities that rejuvenate you, such as exercise, reading, or hobbies. Self-care helps in managing stress and enhancing overall quality of life. Seeking professional guidance offers valuable insights and support. Consult with mentors, coaches, or therapists who can provide expert advice tailored to your needs. Professional guidance helps in navigating challenges and achieving personal and professional goals. Cultivating healthy relationships enriches your life with meaningful connections. Invest time in building and maintaining relationships that are mutually supportive. Healthy relationships provide emotional support, enhance happiness, and contribute to a fulfilling life. Reevaluating your career path can be a transformative step toward personal and professional fulfillment. Reflect on your current job satisfaction, explore new opportunities, and consider further education or training to align your career with your true passions. Investing in personal development is crucial for growth. Attend workshops, read books, and seek mentorship to expand your knowledge and skills. This ongoing commitment to self-improvement can open doors to new opportunities and enhance your overall well-being. Adopting a healthier lifestyle involves making conscious choices about diet, exercise, and sleep. Incorporate nutritious foods, engage in regular physical activity, and prioritize restful sleep to boost your energy levels and improve your physical and mental health. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help reduce stress and increase focus. Dedicate a few minutes each day to quiet reflection, deep breathing, or guided meditation to cultivate a sense of inner peace and clarity. Managing your time effectively is crucial to achieving your goals and maintaining balance. Prioritize tasks, create a structured schedule, and set realistic deadlines. By doing so, you enhance productivity and reduce stress, leading to a more fulfilling life. Learning from past mistakes is a powerful tool for improvement. Reflect on previous experiences to gain insights and avoid repeating errors. This practice fosters wisdom and better decision-making, guiding you towards a more successful and enlightened future. Celebrating small wins is vital for maintaining motivation and a positive outlook. Recognize and savor each achievement, no matter how minor. This practice builds momentum, boosts self-esteem, and encourages continued progress toward your larger goals. Focusing on financial stability brings peace of mind and long-term security. Create a budget, save regularly, and invest wisely. By managing your finances responsibly, you reduce stress and create a solid foundation for achieving your aspirations. Engaging in creative activities can unlock your potential, sparking innovation and joy. Whether painting, writing, or cooking, these pursuits nourish your soul and provide a mental escape, enhancing your overall well-being and boosting your productivity. Practicing gratitude daily shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. This simple habit fosters a positive mindset, improving mental health and relationships. A grateful heart cultivates contentment and attracts more positivity into your life. Strengthening your support network ensures you have a solid foundation during challenging times. Surrounding yourself with uplifting, reliable people fosters resilience and personal growth, offering emotional and practical support when you need it most. Limiting social media consumption can significantly improve your mental health. Constant exposure to curated realities can breed comparison and dissatisfaction. By reducing screen time, you create space for meaningful offline interactions and more productive activities. Confronting and overcoming fears is crucial for personal growth. Facing challenges head-on builds confidence and resilience. Each small victory over fear empowers you, transforming obstacles into opportunities for self-improvement and expanded horizons. Staying flexible and adaptable is crucial in navigating life's uncertainties. Embrace change with an open mind and view challenges as opportunities for growth. Adaptability allows you to pivot when necessary, ensuring you remain resilient and forward-moving. Rediscovering your passions can reignite your zest for life. Reflect on activities that once brought joy and fulfillment. Reconnecting with these interests can provide a sense of purpose, inspiring creativity and enthusiasm in your daily routine. Reconnecting with nature offers a refreshing escape from daily stressors. Spend time outdoors, whether hiking, gardening, or simply enjoying a park. Nature's tranquility can rejuvenate your spirit, promoting mental clarity and emotional well-being. Developing a long-term plan provides direction and motivation. Outline your aspirations, breaking them into manageable steps. A clear roadmap helps you stay focused and disciplined, making it easier to track progress and achieve your desired outcomes. Commitment to your path ensures that you remain dedicated to your goals. Stay focused on your vision, even when faced with obstacles. Consistent effort and perseverance will lead to success, reinforcing your belief in your ability to achieve. Remember, it's never too late to reset, restart, and refocus your life. Take the time to reflect, make changes, and move forward with intention. You have the power to create the life you desire. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more motivational videos. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please remember to subscribe.